Hi crafters, it's pumpkin time! We have the perfect craft to add some super cute paper pumpkins to your decor. In this kit, you will find a cardstock pattern, a half sheet of green paper, and 4 pieces of orange paper, 2 orange yellow and 2 bright orange. You will need to add scissors, a pencil, and either white glue or a combination of glue stick and white or hot glue. I'm using white glue, which causes the paper to warp and gives a roughly edge to the pumpkin. To begin, carefully cut the pattern out of the cardstock. Next, trace the pattern onto the 4 orange papers. You need to get 9 shapes out of each paper, so 3 rows of 3. Carefully cut each shape out. You will have 18 of both colors. Next, fold each shape in half. Now, you're going to glue the shapes together, alternating the yellow-orange color with the bright orange color. Stack them so you've created something that looks a bit like a book. Try to keep each shape even with the other, and be careful not to glue them shut. Now, set the little book aside. Cut the green paper in half so you have two nearly square pieces of paper. Cut one of the pieces of paper in half again, lengthwise. Very carefully and very tightly roll one of the thin pieces to form the pumpkin stem. It does not have to be a neat round tube. It's more important to end up with a very thin stem. Glue the end down. If you have been using a glue stick, you will now need to use either the hot glue or white glue. Cover the spine with a thick strip down the center. Attach the stem. Carefully wrap the book around the stem, gluing the ends together securely. Fluff out the little pumpkin so you separate each sheet of paper. Cut the stem to size. Put the little pumpkin to the side. Cut two very thin strips of paper from the remaining green piece of paper. These will be the vine. When you're done, set them aside. Take the remaining square green paper, fold it in half and in half again. Draw half a leaf on the fold and cut out so that you have two leaves. Trim one of the leaves so that you have a smaller leaf. Fold up one end so that you have a place to put some glue, and glue the leaves to the stem. Take your paper clip or toothpick and tightly wrap one of the thin strips of paper in a spiral. When you pull the paper off, you should have a little spirally vine. Glue it to the stem and repeat with the other thin strip. Do a final fluff and you're done with your cute little paper pumpkin. There are a few ways to modify this craft. You can use a larger pattern to make bigger pumpkins. If you use regular copy weight paper for this, you'll want to cut more shapes. For stiffer pumpkins, you can use cardstock. If you use cardstock, you can cut fewer shapes. For added decorative punch, you can use pattern papers to match your seasonal decorations. Come see our pumpkin patch at the circulation desk and pick up your kit.